Hello, I'm Josh with Southeastern Ohio Legal Services, and I'd like to introduce Ohio Legal Services Assistant. This app is designed to give you the information you need to help your clients with various problems. Let's take a look around the app. On the tab bar of the home screen, you have constant access to all of the features of the app. This includes the calculators, rules of court, resources, and in the overflow screen, forms and settings. At the top of the home screen may be a button for PICA Mobile. The PICA Mobile button will only appear if you include a link in the settings. This is really a specific button for legal aid attorneys in Ohio State Legal Services Association, so if you don't see it in your app, don't worry. If you are with OSLSA, you should contact apps@oslsa.org or your IT director for the link. Let's take a look at some of the features, starting with calculators. The app includes several calculators designed to help provide quick analysis of our clients' situations. For example, you can quickly check simple APR calculations on financing documents for accuracy. The Federal Poverty Level Calculator lets you calculate not only the current federal poverty level, but prior year's poverty level. Additionally, you can enter the income not only as an annual figure, but also monthly, weekly, and even hourly. The Food Stamps Calculator gives you a close approximation as to how much a family could receive in food stamps. The Garnishability Calculator gives you an estimate of how much of a person's income can be garnished. And the OWF Calculator helps determine financial eligibility for OWF assistance. All of these are available offline, so no internet connection is needed to run these calculators. The Rules button in the menu brings you to a table showing all of the rules in the app. It does not include every available rule book, but does include the books most likely to be used by Ohio's attorneys. Clicking on a title takes you to the table of contents for that book. Clicking on a book opens up its table of contents. Clicking on the rule itself will open the selected rule and show its contents. By clicking on the search button in the top right, you are able to search for terms within the current book. Type in your search term and click search. Note that the search is not case sensitive and does not allow the use of wildcards. The search results will show the rule number that contains the search term as well as the paragraph containing that term. The search results will show the rule number that contains the search term as well as the paragraph. Clicking on the rule then opens the entire rule. Like the calculators, the rules are all coded into the app and so are available even if you do not have an internet connection. Moving on to the local resources page, you will find a list of resources available in various Ohio counties. Simply select the county you wish to view, then choose what category of resources you're interested in seeing. Note that you cannot view any resources until you have first selected a county. Once you have chosen a county, you will then see a list of the resources available in that county. Simply click on the resource you want to get more information about. Each resource has a list of the relevant contact information for that entity. Tapping on the address will open your maps, tapping on the phone number will call the number, tapping on the website will open it in your browser. If you wish to add additional resources, just send an email with the resource information to apps@oslsa.org. Moving to the forms section, there are two basic categories of forms. The first forms are the current help sheets showing eligibility information for various Medicaid and other public benefits. These forms will open in a new window on your phone. The next two take you to an online interview hosted by Law Help Interactive where you can create living wills, healthcare powers of attorney, and basic powers of attorney on your phone. You can then email or print the completed forms right from your phone. Moving to the settings screen, you will see that you can control some basic features for the app. We will occasionally push out notifications alerting you to changes in the law or the app. We will customize those alerts for you based upon whether you are a legal aid attorney, a pro bono attorney, or a social services provider. Simply click which version of the alerts you would like to receive. If you are an OSLSA attorney, you can type in the address for your mobile optimized version of PICA. That way you can access it directly from the app. You can get the link by either asking your IT person or by emailing apps@oslsa.org. The About button gives you some background on the app and how it was created. It also tells you what I'm about to tell you now. This app is only for informational purposes and is not legal advice. It does not create an attorney-client relationship between you and the creators of the app. While we strive for accuracy, you should always verify the information in this app before relying on it. I hope you enjoy using this app. If you have questions, comments, or suggestions for the app, please let me know at apps@oslsa.org. Thanks.